Hello people, recently I have installed LED taillight adapter harness in order to get the full European function from these LEDs. So here you can see how they operate. I think they look very cool from the outside, and it's really worth upgrading. So now let's open the tailgate and see how I have installed these wires. So here you can see these yellow wires which activate the amber turn signals. So it's very simple. The pin connector, this is the pin connector from the outer taillight. You can see here, let's focus. So this connector comes from the harness of the outer taillight upwards, which is hidden under this panel, goes upward all the way through this rubber and is connected to the pin connector 1 of the inner taillight. So the connector from the inner taillight, it's right there, must go down, you can see, must go down through this way, all the way through this rubber, and must be connected to the connector of the outer taillight. So in this way they activate the amber turn signals. So the process is the same for the left taillight. So let's close the tailgate. So in order to activate the dynamic turn signals, the VCDS programming is required after installing the harnesses. So you might need VCDS program tool to install the harness. So if you have already LEDs on your MK7, install this harness and let your car feel safe on the roads. So it's worth upgrade tool. So yeah, stay tuned people.